Welcome, my dear friends, to Mastering Conversational AI and Voice AI Receptionist. This is the new income source to create $10,000 per month business in year 2025. Today, we will discuss everything from start to the end. How you can set up all these things, how you can train this AI, how you can create this AI in 5 minutes, and how you can utilize this business model also. We will cover everything step by step. So if you see here, this is one of the AI employees. So what is an AI employee? This is AI powered solution. So we are creating a business where we are replacing ourselves. So we are replacing ourselves with the AI, and this is happening very fast. So what is this AI employee? It saves, automates the repetitive task, boosts efficiency, manage client interaction across multiple channels, scales profit. AI handles the workload so agency or any business can grow without adding more staff. So what is the cost? So this is the cost of an AI employee. Its cost is very minimal. If it is around pay per usage 0.03 cents per message like that, it is there, but it's very normal, and you can charge the clients $200 to $300 easily to build this and create an additional source of income. And if you have just 30 to 50 clients, then only you have a stable, profitable marketing agency or any kind of business. Okay. So the opportunity is the AI chatbot automated solutions are the next big wave in this digital marketing. We are moving beyond traditional social media marketing to AI-driven experiences, and this is happening very fast. So there is a massive market potential. If you are hearing this now, then you are not too late because it's very early phase. And if you want to grab this early mover advantage, to grab this blue ocean, so you have to be starting this is now. Okay, AI adoption in business is still early stages and huge opportunity to stand out. The key features of AI chatbot, if you do not know any about AI chatbot, it's an automated conversation, quickly handles FAQs. What are the different FAQs your business is having? It has all the data, pricing inquiry, lead qualification, whether your lead is qualified or not, appointment scheduling, all this the kind of tedious tasks that are repetitive in nature can be handled with AI now. And we will discuss this today. There are customizable responses also. They can do sales for you also. If you train it well, then AI can do sales for you also. So it is happening. It's not a future thing. It is already happened. Okay. So AI is moving very fast. How fast are you moving? Customizable responses, tailor the bot, tone, rules, messages, all these things we are doing this training. Data collections, capturing the lead, contact information, preferences, and feedback. And this can trigger next level of automations according to their responses. So why businesses need this AI chatbot? Because it gives faster responses. Customers get instant answer, no waiting, no frustration, better conversation rate. Okay. Humans have a tendency, they get fatigues, but AI will not get fatigued. It will work 24/7 and it will give you response, whatever you have trained it. So this is the thing, and it has a competitive edge. Early adoption of this AI sets of business apart from the crowded market. So this is the new opportunity. So first of all, we will discuss everything, and at last I will give demonstration and how we can do this creation. So you understand it completely. Okay. So what are the things that are required for creating and training your chatbots? AI initial setup in AI-based sales or Go High Level. This is my version of Go High Level. I have customized it everything according to my business. So it is completely different system related to this. So we can do this here. So this is the access conversation. This is V2. This is conversational AI in V2. We inside the settings, we have to go here. Then we have to create the bot. We have to name the bot. And then we have to choose the communication channels. Whether we want automated conversation in Facebook, Instagram, SMS, Google My Business, all these channels are, you can select any of the channels which you want to automate the reply. Okay, you can do that. Then coming to the training of the bot, how you can train this bot. So I have created a brand guide which can easily help you. You can use this brand guide to train this bot. I will discuss at the end. So stay till the end. Also, I will give you custom GPT that can create your voice AI prompts that can easily train this all these things and give the response tailored to your business. Whatever the needs of your business, it gives the response. So input business name, FAQs, these are the data that are required. If you have a website, you can give the website to that AI. It will be trained with this website. So these are the things that are required for training the AI. As many as resources as you give, the more trained it will give better response. Set response time 15 to 30 seconds. So it gets humanized. It will look like that your agent is talking or replying in the message, text messaging. So we are seeing conversational AI, which replies on text messages, and also voice AI that replies on your voice, like I am talking to you, and it replies an AI. And if you see the response, you will be amazed that it does not look like AI. Okay, so let's go ahead. So why training matters? Okay, well-trained AI is equal to intelligent AI. Okay, it gives better responses. So that's why we need to train this AI. So more trained data, more accurate it will be. So you can check that more trained is equal to more accurate and helpful resources. So your role, you have to add Q&A example, adjust the bot personality, formal, friendly, helpful, humorous, whatever these things. And all these things you don't have to worry. It's all been done with custom GPTs. I will share with you with that GPT where you can create all this thing continuously refined to meet the specific needs of each client business. It will give you certain response that you do not like. You note it down, then give it back, the feedback, and again train it, give it feedback, again train it. So you will have a perfect prompts. It may take you one day. If you want to perfect it well, it gets perfect with automatic feedbacks. Okay. So that is the best advantage. And once it gets perfect, then you don't have to do anything. So it's done. Okay. So there are practical use cases. You can have any businesses inside it. It will automate the booking. It scans the website. It stores the data. It has all the details of pricing, services. It knows your goal that I need scheduling. I need scheduling of call. I need booking, booking I need to send invoice. I need to send link. All these things you can train this data, and whatever the call to action you want, they will adjust accordingly. If you want to register for webinar, let them to do that. If you want to have private consultation, that you can have like that, you can train this. It automates the booking, gathers the leads, freeing up the owners to focus on growing the business. Okay, it does. These are the tedious tasks that you do not need to do. Your focus is on fulfillment. System does the work for you, and this is the thing we do. Okay, so if you have custom responses with your custom GPTs, or with your response suppose I am talking with you, I am giving you certain data, so it stores the data as a custom values, And with this custom values, we can have prompts. Okay, these are the custom values, user.names. It's are the dynamic values. It gets updated with the help of your response. It will get updated, and it will you can create GPT inside the system, and this system will automatically give response according to your business. So suppose if you have got certain response, then quickly after that, after the call with the AI receptionist or AI conversational AI, it will give you customized response, customized email, whatever the response you have given, whatever the problem you have, according to the problem, it will give you response. And after this, you can have multiple workflows can be triggered for appointment booking, for nurturing, for any kind of other things, for your courses, for any kind of automations you want. It will automatically get triggered, and the whole system is completely on automation. Whatever you think here, you can create here inside. So this is, I will show you how you can do all these things. So stay tuned, and you will able to understand it. Okay. So what is your unique selling point? Okay. So best part is you have to show this to client. You have to demonstrate this, what I am going to demonstrate at the end, and your work is done. Demonstration is very powerful, and you have to tell the value proposition. Okay, what is the value proposition? How much money can they save with this help of EM, with this tool? Okay, for example, this is the average salary of receptionist in US. It is $36,000 to $37,000, and it will keep on increasing. And at and I told you just at $97, you can have unlimited conversation like that. This is ultimate. Okay. So you can reduce the cost of business. That is around, if you divide it by 12, it will come around $3,000. And if the person gets it at $100 or $200, then they saves ultimate money. So this is the unique thing that you have to explain to the business owner, and that's it. Your job is done. If someone saves $36,000, they can give you easily $200 or $500 or $1,000. Whatever you want, you can charge easily per client. So now coming to the AI voice receptionist. First of all, I will discuss you the part, and then at the end, I will show you the demonstration. So introducing this AI voice receptionist, what is its job? It's a 24/7. This is your receptionist will work 8 to 9 hours per day, but it will work 24/7. So you can see the value proposition it is having, that you don't have to work 24/7. It means you don't have to appoint three kinds of routines. For example, if there is 8 hours are, because plumbing business or any kind of service business, breakdown can occur even at nights, even at days, anytime it may happen, and you are super busy in doing the work, and you do not have money to hire all these receptionists. So what this can do is, it will automatically book an appointment whenever you have a next available slot, and it will book that appointment for you. So in this way, it will save you lots and lots of customers, which are going to be lost if you do not answer the call. It is your private assistant, works 24/7 and does not get fatigued while working. So all these things is here. So why this matters here? Because it expands beyond the text to phone support, delivers human-like conversation experience, and enhances customer satisfaction, reduces staffing. Okay, so all this which we have discussed in conversational AI, it is same, but it has more human-like features. You're talking like a human. Receptionist is better. Like whenever someone calls your business, you never miss a call. What a great opportunity is. And there are millions of business which are being created every year. So opportunity is huge. You just have to utilize this. What is the benefit of voice AI receptionist? Instant call handling. No caller is left waiting on hold. Consistent professionalism. Every caller experiences the same high quality interaction. So you don't have to, with for every variable customers, it will be acting and it will get trained with your feedback. And automatically also it gets feedback and it will keep on improving itself. So it's a very masterpiece. So it will work without fatigue 24/7 and do your work. Scalable services handle unlimited inbound calls. Outbound is also in pipeline. It will come soon. Right now it's inbound only and outbound will also release. So that's a great opportunity if you get outbound also. So how much calls you can do, how much cold calling you can do, how much warm cold meetings you can fix. You can't imagine this value proposition here. So actionable item, that is track call volumes, common questions, call outcomes. Okay, all these things. That's you can, with the help of AI, conversational AI, you can add on this services at extra at 10 to 200 or 100, whatever, or 500. It's up to you how much you want to charge, because I told you average receptionist cost in USA is around $36,000. You can just show that how much savings they can have with this help, and they will also not work like this. AI will work. Okay, they they sometimes get frustrated with the calls, so much of calls. They you cannot watch them. Okay, but here you can have call recordings, and with this call recordings, you can again go and train this AI according to the feedback, and it works well with feedback. Once you train that, no, I don't want like this response, it will automatically with feedback, it will improve for next. So like that, you just keep on improving. So enable this voice receptionist, conversational AI, integrate your phone number with GHL or AI-based sales system. Whatever you train it with FAQs, services, routing rules, test call flow to ensure smooth caller experiences. Okay. So then the value proposition also, here you can see real estate example. Okay, real estate agent spends hours daily answering the calls and scheduling this call. So this is not their core job or answering the calls. So what this can do is, they, whatever these people is having, they just book the appointment and people visits their real estate property. That's it. No more answering the call. Voice support field personals and premium also. Upsell to current clients who want to have this solution, increase recurring revenue and client retention with all in one platform. So these are the value proposition we are offering. So after AI voice receptionist, what are the benefits they will get? Automated property info, appointment booking, agent focused on closing the deal, not busy work, improved lead conversion, and happier client. So all these are the advantages. Advantages are unlimited and cost is very low. And this is the early mover advantage to you all if you want to this. So what are your next steps? Start with client profile, whatever you have. You can just do that, train it continuously, price it confidently, scale it quickly. So how you can jump to the system? Now our main system will come here. So I have developed a voice AI and conversational AI GPT that is going to change your game. So if you click here, this is the voice AI GPT that I have created here. So even if you don't know anything about this, it will guide you completely and create your prompts, and all these things is done with this help of voice AI. So if you open this, create my voice AI, create my conversational AI. Let's start with conversational AI. Okay. So it is giving me complete detail. So it is giving me the complete detail. Setup ensures seamless professional. Let me know additional details or customization required. So what you can do, if you have created your brand guide with the help of this GPT, you just have to paste it here, and it will give your response. So you can see here, my response is being created with the help of the same format, and it's done. Any type of customization you need, you just reprompt it and it is done. In 1 minute, I have created my this one. And this is the brand guide. For example, this business has 17 prompts. These are the 17 prompts. 1 second. These are the 17 prompts: ideal client avatar, customer detail. This all, if you go here, it has GPT, and there is a video training how you can create this brand guide. All you can find in the description below. So don't forget to check the description below inside the YouTube channel here. So you will get all the resources what I am talking here inside this. Okay. So you see all this detail. It has all business statement, target clients arranged in this. It is 69-page documents, and it is really more than enough to train anything, any kind of thing. So this information you created once, and with this information, you have your whole details is ready. Okay. So you can see here, once we have our GPTs through this GPT, this is the example prompt which is here. This is the example prompt here, and this example you can find inside the GPT also. And you train it continuously, train it better. Use your brand guide. I've shown you my brand guide. With the help of 17 GPTs, you can create this brand guide, and you can find the link of all these things in the description. And you have to price it premium, whatever you want to charge, premium, low ticket, high ticket, medium ticket, whatever you want, you can charge it and scale it to grow your business. So once you have your prompt ready, so this is the prompt it has created for my business. What I will do, I can copy this prompt here. Now I will go to my system, to my AI-based sales system. Here it is conversational AI, here it is voice AI. So you have to go inside conversational AI version 2. Inside the settings, if you go into sub accounts, you have to go to the settings. Inside the settings part, you will find this conversational AI version 2. Here you can have, this is the one of the AI agent I have created. I will show you how does it work. I will give you the things that you need to create. I will create from start also, so you can create it. So let's check this one, how it will work. If I go and edit here, so it has 3 components: bot settings, bot training, and bot goals. You can name the bot first part. I have named this bot here. You can have autopilot or suggestive or off reply. These are the channels you can integrate: Facebook, chat widget, SMS, all this channel, whichever the channel you want, you can just put it, and then you can go to bot trial. And also in the advanced setting, if you go here down, you can see your wait response time. Okay, you can just wait also. maximum messages bot can send for per conversation. 10, you can just change all this data here. Okay. And this is the default business name. If you write your business name other than this one, okay, it normally fetches this default business name. If you want to change it, you can change it here. So once this part is done, once you have named your GPT and you have selected the channel, then you go to bot training. Okay. So let's save it. Then it will move to bot training. Here you can see here I have uploaded one doc. This is the brand guide. I have updated my brand guide here. So it gives the data according to this here. So for example, here, if I select here, you can see here, you can refresh it. If you are updating the bot, if you are updating the document, you can refresh it. So automatically it gets trained. It's very simple. You can add question and answer. You can add other things, other data also, but this response only I have uploaded only one document. That is my Mrinal band guide. And you can just see and test the data. And these are the bot goals. So what this bot will do, I have given this prompt, roles and objective. I have got the prompt from this GPT. I will copy paste this prompt here. And that's it. That's it. Done. In 5 minutes, you have created your GPT. You have to select the action that I want to book an appointment. So you can just select it. And if you want to pick a calendar booking appointment, you can set this is the calendar I want. And trigger workflow also. If I want to trigger any workflow, like I want to have nurturing sequence, I can do that. And it's done. So you can see here. Now I will test this bot in front of you. I will type any messages. Let's see how does it reply. So I have typed this message. So it has given me this response. Now, if I want to tailor this response, okay, what I will do, I do not like this response. So I will write, hey there, what's your mind today? So I will write WhatsApp. This is for example, nothing here. I trained the bot, it's got trained. And then I will again refresh it. Then again, I will write hi. Okay, it's not updating. It may not give this kind of response, but it will give the response. You just have to get feedback and it will get trained. And then again, what's in your mind? I want to buy. So you can see, sure, consider our done for you solution, that is AI powered content, automated leads generation and story driven copy, ready to automate your sale. And then I can also customize this response also according to my business. Okay. How can I buy? You can scale your business affordable with AI powered system. They are delivered tangible ROI, practical, ready to. Let's book an appointment to discuss it further. So I will just book. Okay, book appointment. Can I have your full name? Then it is asking my details. Thanks, Mrinal Chaudhary. What is your best way that I can contact you? Phone number or email ID? I will write, for example, phone number. Please type your phone number with your country code. Then like this, I can go on and it will book my appointment. Let's do that. Got it, Mrinal. What's your preferred date and time? Saturday. 9 a.m. Okay, so December 20th would it work for you? Okay, perfect. Your appointment is scheduled. Done. And inside the workflow, everything it's done. So this is very simple to create. Now I will show how you can do it from starting. Let's go from here bot. Yeah, this is you can select from scratch general Q&A appointment booking. So this is the main thing. We have to book appointment. Then we will continue here. Then you have to name the bot. For example, you are naming at my business, my biz. You have named, you have done this. You have to select the channels. So you have to select whatever the channels you want here. You can name here also. You can change this and then save. Once you do the things, you just save it. Then this is you if you have multiple bots, if you want to select this as primary bot, you can do that, set as a primary bot. So then you have to do bot training. Here URL, you can have the URL. You can just either you can use this, or if you want to delete this, delete. And if you want to upload it, now I will paste the URL whatever I want and get the data. So it will fetch the detail of my data. And then once data is fetched, then I will test my bot and I will note down the points that is it is taking. I will note down the points, whatever it is doing wrong. I will use as feedback and I will again change the prompt inside this. So once it is trained, it takes few seconds to do this, fetching this page here. You can see here it is processing. Once it is done, it will show trained. Then you go to bot goals. Inside the bot goal, here this is point prompt guideline. If you want to see what is the prompt guideline, but we have already created our prompt. This prompt has dynamic custom values also. Okay, you can add here custom values. Custom values are the dynamic value. With this, you can have multiple responses. For example, you are bot for AI business name. This is the custom values. And you have to book appointment, all these things. It has only few details. But if I remove this and I have generated my prompt here, I copy this and I will go here and I will control A and move it down, control V, and it's done. Okay. So simple to see done and you just save it. Your bot is created. Okay. So in you can see 5 minutes you have created your conversational AI bot. You just do the testing part. Testing is the most important part according to the business, and it will, with your feedback, it will learn. Similarly, let's come to voice AI. Voice AI also same procedure. Okay. Here you first of all I will test this. How does it response? So you will understand the details. This is the AI assistant. Similarly, what we have done in this one conversational AI, we have to do same thing here also. Agent goal and call logs. Here we need to have a number, and we can purchase it from our system. The number from different country, US, UK, Europe, Australia, wherever you want, you can purchase a number, and it's very easily available. And if you want to test this workflow, you just have to dial the number here. I will write it here, +91 623 291. Now it will give, I can test you here live. Okay, one second. It was on the flight mode, so it does not took. I will just go and change it from flight mode to this one. Yeah. Now, new call. I will make my new call. Now it will work. Let's again type this number. So it is coming. Call is coming. I will answer my call. Hello. Hello.
Hey, you have reached Creative Best Design. How can I help you today?
What's your business about?
Creative Best Design specializes in creative design solutions. We offer a range of services, including graphic design, branding, and digital marketing, to help businesses stand out. Is there something specific you're interested in, or would you like to book an appointment to discuss your needs further?
I first of all need to talk to your manager. Who is your manager? Just I want to clarify some details about your business.
Understand. While I can't connect you directly to the manager, I can certainly arrange for them to get in touch with you. Could I schedule a time for them to call you back?
Okay, let's book an appointment.
Great. Could you please spell your full name for me so I can make sure I have it correct in our system?
My name is Mrinal Chaudhary. Let's book an appointment.
Thank you, Myrna. Could you also confirm the best contact number for you? Is it the one you're calling from? Myrna Chowdhury, got it. What date and time would work best for you to have a chat with our manager?
I will have at Saturday 9 p.m. Will it work?
Let me check that for you. Unfortunately, we don't have availability at 9 p.m. on Saturday. How about earlier in the day, say around 2 p.m.? Would that work for you?
Okay, it will work for me. Let's schedule that.
Perfect. I've scheduled your appointment for Saturday at 2 p.m. Could you also provide your email address for confirmation and any updates?
Yes, my mail ID is mrinalnit1989@gmail.com.
Got it. So your email is mrinalnit1989@gmail.com. I'll send a confirmation to that address. Is there anything else you need help with?
Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, you have listened to the voice AI right now live. So type in the comment how does it sounds like. Do you like this? And it's very simple to create all this. You don't have to be perfect. And with can you hear me? Okay. With the prompts, you can do all these things. And the prompt GPT I have given, similar way you have to connect here. So you can just, okay. Here outbound is also coming soon. So you will learn, you can see this duration of the call also. And here you can see the transcript of the call also. What are the things I have talked? It has come here. And with this transcript, I will go again to ChatGPT and I will give, I don't want like this response and I just want this kind of response. Rewrite this prompt for me. Then it will rewrite the prompt for me. So, so you can create a custom prompts. Okay. So that's very cool thing. And you can train this bot easily, very easily. And this agent goal. So here you have to add this prompt, role descriptions, all these things. And here you have to have a phone number. You can buy a new number and you can have call logs, whatever you have, you can have call logs here. So let me show how you can build from scratch. This is the demonstration I have created. So in few minutes only you can create this. Let's do that. And you can create multiple agents. Or if you have multiple businesses, you can have multiple agents with different mobile numbers in same account. You can create that. And all the informations you can create, all the prompts you can create with the help of custom GPTs. And you can find all these details of resources, everything inside this. In the description, you have to check the description and it's done. So you can see that is being hanged here. Let me go here again. I think some issue in with, let me refresh it. So you can see the power of this AI system that can book your appointment and whatever. If I want to do the sales part also, I can have data of sales also. Let me show that also how you can do that. So inside this, if you see this prompt here, I have created this prompt. This is created with this help of GPT. So you can see here and whatever the all yellow parts, this is the optional part, transition to sales also. It will give the person invoice also if they wants to buy. On all these systems, this is the advanced system that we can create. It has closing as a statement. It has objection handlers also. You can feed that and you can create a prompt. So, so you can have customize it to according to your business role, whatever the business role you want to do this. So it's very powerful here. And now I will show you how you can create from starting. So first of all, you have to go sub account, go to the settings. Inside the settings, you have to go and create an agent. And here you can name this agent. Let's name it ACF, agent name. Business name you can change. Here you can have multiple voices. You can select the voice which you like. If you want this way, you can play this voice. Let's check. Can you hear the voice? Type in the comment. So you can just check the voice. You can play the voice And initial message also, you can change this initial message. And if you go to advanced setting, you can have a conversation up to 15 minutes maximum. Okay. So you can just change it. If you want to 15 minutes, you can have 15 minutes and you can confirm it. So it will automatically disconnect after 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the maximum time it can do the conversation, and you can change this. And outbound, you can see here it is coming soon. Then if I go to the next part, now I want my agent to collect the name and email. So I will just tick mark this. And if I go and see the advanced setting, it has already some prompts fed inside here. Okay. So if I go and just copy paste this prompt from my side, and it's done. Okay. So then I want to trigger a workflow once call is completed. So for example, I want to put in the long-term nurturing sequence. And if I created a certain custom GPT response, from this response, whatever I am getting, I can create a personalized image customized to that person. So that I will discuss. If you want this videos to be created, I will create. Just type in the comment below. You will find here, and you can create all this thing. So in this, you have custom GPT responses with whatever the responses you have. So you can have a call transfer. So you can transfer the call transfer to some person named ABC and transfer to something like that and save that. Here you have to add the number you want to transfer, when you should want the transfer to take place, what should be the transferring, what should it say to transfer the call. So you can do that also. If you want to trigger a workflow, so you can have workflow trigger name, you can have this trigger name, and you can have workflow, when to trigger the workflow, what to do this, and you just do this. And once you do that, it's done. Okay, you have to update the contact field. If you want to update the contact field, you can update the contact field, and with this updated contact field, your next email sequences will have dynamic responses. That is the next thing I will discuss in next part. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And once it is done, you just save this, and it's here. You can see nurture sequence. It says I will receive email qualification, also send it to all user, or whatever the users you have added, team members you have added, you can select that all user, contact assigned user, or specified user. So whatever users I have added in the account, I can just do that. Custom emails, if you want to add custom emails, you can have custom email added here. So it will gives you notification, and it's done. So here I have to select the plan. This mobile number is attached to different one. So I have to purchase different mobile number for this agent. Okay. So here you can click here and you can buy a number. And once you save it, then you can just go and test this GPT. So it's very simple to create. It took me 5 minutes to do this. So that's it. Now I'm open to your questions. Just type in the comment box, or you can unmute yourself for any questions you have. So before coming to questions, let's go back to the slides here. So you have to, so which country, so there are multiple countries. Let's show you what are the countries here. If I go here and buy a number, here inside phone numbers also, we can buy numbers for different countries. If you want select here, you can add a phone number. You can select the countries which you want to buy. You can see here United States, Singapore, South Africa, Spain, Switzerland, UK, Vietnam, Japan, Hungary, France, Croatia, Brazil, Australia. So these are the countries which you can buy your phone numbers, which are listed here. If I want to buy for South Africa, so it will give me details of South Africa, Johannesburg, and all these things here, local and mobile number. So which, if you want toll-free number or mobile number of which country, you just select this country and you can buy here. And you can see the rate also here, monthly price. It will, it's very, it's very cheap. You can say for $1, you can buy a number of different country and you can do the prospecting. So next level thing will come once this outbound will also come. So stay in the game. So you just scale this quickly, utilize this because it is safe. This is the next thing that is going to. So this is the future. You can say everything is going to be shifting towards this. And if you are not in this race of this AI, then definitely it's 100% that you are going to be left behind. It's because if you see the speed of these things AI is developing, it will automatically be trained and it will be better than humans. Because I have created GPTs, custom GPTs, and the response I get from these GPTs are more powerful than how I can create. So this kind of things, routine things, whatever content creations, all these things which I do in my program, or all these things, if you want access, you can check the description. You will find the link. You can book an appointment one-to-one with me. For your tailored business, we can create customized, everything customized according to the business. I have shown you how you can do that, how you can create brand guide, how you can utilize this custom GPTs, how you can create GPTs inside this system also. So whatever instruction you give here, and that GPT instruction, same instruction, email 1, 2, 3, 9, all this tailored to the responses. So this kind of things, whatever you can think, you can create right now with the help of AI. So it's happening very fast. So utilize this. AI is the future. Embrace it. Okay. And unparalleled services, and you can easily create this amount with this recurring revenue. That's it. Any other doubt if you have, you can just unmute yourself or you can type in the comment.